Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back doing boxes. Want to see which one we're doing? All the way from Hong Kong Disneyland. Magical things inside. This is the Magical Pick-Me-Up box, and that's all coming up right now. Alright, so this is the Magical Pick-Me-Up, and this box costs $70 and only $12 to ship it all the way from Hong Kong to us in Nevada. Ready? The last one we got is pretty cool, so I'm excited. Alright. Oh, I forgot. They have that special floaty confetti. Alright, so first thing is a Hong Kong Disneyland postcard. That is very cool. I will put that in the photo box so you can get a better look. Boop. And then on the back, boop. Dear Mary and Chris, thank you for your continued support, and I hope you love the items I've selected for you. I've also included a small birthday cake for Mary. Please do not eat it. Happy birthday, Mary, from Olivia. Very cool. Mary's birthday was very recent. We've had this box for a bit though, but that's very nice of them. Alright, it's confetti time. Looks like kind of peach. See, look how floaty. Alright, let's see here. Oh boy. This has Mary written all over it.
You can always tell what boxes I order.
Yeah. Mary definitely orders this box. This is her preferences. Wanna check it out? So it's a Pooh pin. It's Pooh and Piglet, and it's really thick. It almost looks like it should open or something, but I don't think so. I don't know. Probably break it. This has a red tag on it, which means nothing to me because I have no idea what the Hong Kong prices are. But it does have the green sticker that shows that they got it actually in the park. And I will throw this up in the photo box so you can get a better look at it. Boop. It is a really cool design. And it's super thick. And it's a double pin back. Very nice. Cool. Alright. I just love getting stuff that we can't get here. Oh, it's a blind box. Happy New Year. Mystery pin collection. 10 pin collection. Each box contains 2 randomly selected pins. And there's all kinds of choices on here. Mickey, Minnie, Stitch, Daisy, Donald. There's all kinds of them. Chip and Dale. Lots of them. Alright. Let's check it out. Alright, so we got 2 blind bags. So again, I know I said Happy New Year, but this is, Chinese New Year, which is a very big deal this year. Lots of vacations going on right now. Alright. First one is...
The year of the ox or the year?
First one is Daisy. She's looking super chill. You know what? Boop. Very nice. I like the detail in it. Very cool. And the second one. Second one is Pluto. Very nice. Boop. So cool how different these all are. Alright. Here would be the birthday cake she was talking about. It actually says "eat me" on the front, but I don't think you're supposed to. There's a lot of languages on here. So that looks like there's choices of Mickey, Minnie, Pooh, Stitch, Cinderella, and Dumbo. Let's find out. The box is, it's kind of crazy. Cool. Let's see. All right. So it would appear they really like to kind of add accessories and, you know, put stuff together. And so this is the cake, and then there's all these little things. See the holes in the top of the cake? So you can put them as decorations on the cake. So you've got Minnie and a sign that says Minnie Mouse and Minnie's ears and a heart and little feet and flowers. All kinds of little things that you can put on top of your little cake. And then besides that, it comes with this, which, now let's see. My fingers aren't working today. I must have got into a box of those discount snaps I had a while back. So in here shows what? I don't know, I can't read it. Oh, okay, so part of this looks like kind of a little decoration to set the cake on. Yeah, you can kind of see that. And then this looks like you turn it into a cake box. Yeah. So you can fold this into a little... Wait for it. It's happening. I almost did it. There it is. And something like... Whoop. Oh. I almost... So it turns into a little cake box. So you can put your cake in there. Cool. All right. Happy birthday. Next up, we have a Dumbo wooden calendar. Whatever it is, it costs 188 whatever form of monies. Ready? So it's really, this is crazy. So it's made out of wood, and you spin the wheels to choose the day of the week. You choose the month, and then up here on the ball under Dumbo, you choose the day of the month. How cute is that guy? I'll put this in the photo box on the turntable so you can take a look. Boop. Very nice. All right. Again, I really like getting stuff you can't get here. And lastly, smells like a mug. Ready? Look at this. This is incredible. Holy cow. So it says Hong Kong Disneyland. It's got lots of characters on there. Goof, Pooh, Tinkerbell, Chippendale, Piglet, Tigger, Donald, Dumbo, Daisy. Oh boy. Who's the little bear that they really like? Duffy. Duffy. Stitch, Pluto. Oh no. Mickey and Minnie, and the little white kitten with the pink bow. Marie! I was getting there. But it's really cool because the mug itself is kind of a flat black. The inside's super glossy red. And then all the print is super glossy, and there's lots of stars all the way around it. This is definitely going to be a mug that whoever wakes up first gets.
Yay!
it's just, you gotta get a really good look at this. Let me get a good shot. Boop. Man, that is really cool. This might be my new favorite mug. This is really excellent. Wow. Wow. I love it. All the way from Hong Kong to our house. How cool is that? Alright, so I'd like to tell you what this box is worth, but I have no clue. You can draw your own conclusion on that. Like I said, $70 plus $12 shipping, so $82 total. This amazing mug takes the cake. The cake also takes the cake. And the calendar, the 3 pins, the postcard. I love it. I don't foresee us stopping this box for a long time because I really like getting some stuff that we know isn't going to be a double. And man, they just do merch so well over there. Alright, so there you have it. If you want one, order one. I'll put a link down below to Magical Pick Me Up. Check it out. If you would like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here, and if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, I would really appreciate it personally because it helps us out a ton. Please click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.